Daddy.
I left it.
Yep.
Yeah, you stuck it up a little.
Okay, I'm following it.
That thing's fast, huh?
Yep. Oh no. Oh, I thought the
Take a
people
video
were
and
gonna
send it to your
turn.
papa.
What?
Take a video and send it to papa. You want me to take it? Here,
No.
let me send it to your papa.
No.
That's only at 50%.
50%.
No?
No, that's at 100.
Would you turn it down to 50 now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you turn it down to 50% now.
Oh no.
Well, that's yes. Honey, you got cars from both ways.
Oh, there's a car coming.
That old lady will run it right over.
What? Okay. Huh? Okay.
Be careful what they're doing.
Okay.
Here, let me get a video. Watch. I'll get a really good video.
Okay.
Really good video.
I gotta follow that car.
Okay, we'll watch. Mommy will do it, okay? Oh! It crashed, Nico. Hold on, Daddy. We got another car. Hold on, babe. There's a car. Oh, never mind. You're good. Go ahead. See, Mommy just zooms it in. See?